A clear broth with chopped vegetables is the perfect bowl of warm goodness that we crave for on a rainy day. Hi guys, this is Ruchi. Welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination of 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's get started with one of my favorites, clear veg soup. I've taken a few chopped vegetables for the stock, but you can take any discarded parts of the vegetables like the stem, peels or any parts that you're not going to use. Otherwise, you can use that to make the stock. So let's see how. I have half a cup of chopped cabbage. You can take the stem part which you normally not use. Also half a carrot chopped, half an onion chopped, a few stalks of coriander leaves, one bay leaf, 2 small pieces of lemongrass. If you don't have it, it's fine. Also 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 500 ml of water. So the stock has been boiling since the past 10 minutes and now it's time to strain. So the stock is ready. In the same pot, heat a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, into this I'm going to add finely chopped vegetables. This is about 3 tablespoons of cabbage, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped French beans, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped baby corn, and 3 tablespoons of finely chopped carrots, 2 tablespoons of corn. Now give these vegetables a good stir and let them cook for a few seconds. After the vegetables have cooked for a few seconds, let's add in the stock again. Let the vegetables boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Time to add in all the flavoring ingredients. A teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of vinegar, pepper to taste, just a little bit, salt to taste. I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of green chili sauce. Give this a good stir and let it boil for a few seconds. The soup is ready. Let's pour it in this bowl. Use any vegetables that you have at home for this soup and trust me, it will still taste delicious. So a bowl of hot piping soup, lovely, delicious, nutritious. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.